money, that money, fast money. Baby, my car need gas money. Baby, I need that fast money, that fast money. Better let that money run the conversation. Cause it's some dead presidents, nigga, that run the nation. Whatever situation depends on the shit you're making. Try taking this bacon into consideration. My pockets need insulation. I'm steady raking this cake in, bring the apron. You must got me highly mistaken. If you think I ain't chasing, I'd rather say racing. Bitch, I been thinking Benjamin Franklin. Give my pockets some pain, but then again banking. My shit somewhere, I can be sure about it. Capital One, yeah, what's in your wallet? American Express, don't leave home without it. Put it on your mind, but nigga, don't think about it. I can't wait till I get me some show money, not dope money. Baby, I need that fast money. Baby, I need that fast money. Feel like I really gotta have money. Baby, I need that fast money, that cash money, fast money, that money, fast money. Baby, my car need gas money. Baby, I need that fast money, that fast money.